protection while you're riding your bike. So that's where this comes in. This is a piece of foam, styrofoam. Right? It's really light. Alright? But it's really strong. Now, guess what's inside your helmet? Styrofoam. Same stuff. So I'm going to take this egg, and I'm going to put it inside this piece of styrofoam. I'm going to strap it in. If I don't strap it in, it's just going to fall out. Same with your helmet. You don't strap your helmet on. It's just going to fall off when you hit the ground or whatever hits you. So I'm going to strap it in. Pretty good, right? All right. Yes, I heard somebody say. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to grab it. Now, make a prediction in your head. Don't tell me what it is. Just in your head. Do you think it's going to break? Or do you think it's not going to break? Sometimes when I do this, sometimes it does. All right? Make a prediction. Now, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. You saw the egg drop. Right? Did I change the egg? Did I do anything special? No. And if I drop an egg from this height, normally it's going to break. So let's see who's right. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes my egg does get a little crack in it. But that's about all you need. Take a look. Any cracks in there right now? No. There's not a crack in here at all because it was protected. Now, just to make sure that nobody's like, oh, this is black ready for a fake egg. I'm going to drop it again. Don't. Are you ready? Stay seated. I'll definitely show you. Ready? Everybody counts 3. 1, 2, 3. Do I need to drop again? No. It's the same with your bicycle. All it takes is one fall. Now you're listening to your bicycle, maybe nothing happens. Maybe you didn't land on your head. But why would you want to take that chance? Can I fix this egg? No. No, then it is dripping all over me. All right, I can't fix the egg, and the doctor might not be able to fix what's wrong with your brain if you're not wearing a helmet. So boys and girls, every time you ride your bike, every time, what are you going to wear? Helmet! And I know that right now, oh thank you. I know that right now some of you don't wear your helmet. I know that as we get older, sometimes we think we don't need it, or we forget about it. Now, so what happens at the end? Do you want to take that chance that might happen?